Hello guys, welcome to Pixel channel. Well, it's been a while since we posted a video. We just got kind of busy, but today we're back and there's just a snowstorm in Calgary right now, Canada. So this is how it looks like. The weather is not really good. It's we have a snowstorm, so the road is just ugly, but we have to travel for some essential stuff. So this is how the road looks like. So just come with us and observe the road on a snowstorm. And this is, by the way, Deerfoot Trail, northbound. So sometimes it's not it's visible. The road is still visible, but if it gets really bad, you can experience like zero visibility. There's still cars. You still have to go to work. Still have to do some errands. So ride along with us. There's a big truck here. Oh my goodness. Just have to be very careful because it's when the weather is like this, so many accidents happen and it gets really slippery. You could have like multiple car accidents. So you just have to be very careful. No need to hurry. You still get to where you're going. Snow is so nice to look at. We've had very nice weather for like maybe 2 weeks ago. We were like having spring weather, which was really awesome. We thought Calgary forgot its winter, but I guess she remembered. So far, no accidents yet. Sometimes it usually happens when people get off work, going to work early in the morning. So, and it was also very windy. It's so hard to drive, especially if the snow is blowing towards your car. Like the windshield can get so, like, you get zero visibility. watching and coming along with us, guys. We'll see you again soon. Have a good day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Big Soul channel.